Aniha si Rusas Pandan, ikang pantaon sa kabukiran. Hello everyone! Hello universe! Today's video tayo ay magpapansit para sa dinner ni Mahal. So we have here our noodles, then we have our chicken, our tomatoes, and some leafy spinach for vitamin A source. Ayan. So, ilalagay na natin ating chicken. Then, ang ating kamatis. Then, ang ating leafy vegetables, which is our spinach. For good eyesight. Dapat hindi mawawala ang green leafy in your daily diet. Then, halo-haloin lang natin na 1 minuto. Then, pwede na siyang iserve. Yan. Diba? Healthy and yummy. Parang si Miss Dawn. So, ayan. A few moments later. So, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating serving plate. Ayan. Lovely, lovely pancit guisado by yours truly, Mrs. Dawn. Miss Dawn. Mrs. na po ako. Ayan. O, diba? Dinner ready in few minutes. Essence of maalagang at maarugang asawa. Ayan, guys. Then, sprinkle natin siya na ating soy sauce for more added kasarapan. Yan. Then, for drinks niya ay ang ating patay ng baso. Lagyan ng last of yellow kasi mainit ngayon, guys. Like, para rin Pinas. So, meron tayo ditong Diet Coke. Ang Coke ng mga artista. Etros. Then, patay ng pork niya. Para sa kanyang dinner of the day. And that's it. That's my hubby's dinner ready in few minutes. O, diba? Essence of a good wife. So that would be all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Be kind, be well, and God bless us all.